Hola, my amigo friends. So today we're out at this dirt pit here for a motocross pit, whatever you want to call it. David and Angie are on the way here with their e-bikes that are like motorcycles, motocross bikes. So I'm gonna fly my drone around here for a while. The marina is just right over there. I know you can see the bridge there crossing the mangroves there. So, and the ocean's just right over there. The marina is right about there. And then you got all the mangroves are all over back here. So anyway, we're going to get the drone up in the air here. I got it in the trunk of my car. And we'll wait for Dave and Angie to get here. They should be here any time now. So I'll get my drone all set up. Could take a couple minutes. So still learning this darn thing. I think I've only had it out about 6 times, to be honest with you guys. Anyway, hang on tight and we'll go for a ride. Birds do not like the drone. If they're in the area, I'll either raise my altitude or lower my altitude just to avoid them. So if you have a drone, you're flying around, be aware of the birds. So my friends, I want to add that these bikes here are super quiet. Like you can't even hear them coming. Very, very quiet. Okay guys, our dear friends Angie and David, he's going to talk about his e-bikes here for a few seconds, let you know all about these sweet little rides. So what exactly are they, David?
These are called a Sur-Ron. They're from China. We picked them up in Canada at a place called Extreme Boat Sports out in Chilliwack. The retail price on them was $56.99. Actually, it was $58.99. But we got an extra $200 off for a shipping credit. The people at Extreme were really, really easy to deal with, and these are quite hard to find these days. They have a 60 watt battery stock. In eco mode, they do 50 kilometers an hour or 30 miles an hour. Angie rides in eco mode all the time. Hey. No, she doesn't. In sport mode, they'll run 80 kilometers an hour, so 50 miles an hour.
Wow.
Battery life, typically get about, in eco mode, about 50 kilometers of range. In sport mode, a lot less than that. Today we're at a motocross track here out in Chilem, close to Progreso in Mexico, and we had a massive rainstorm last night, so it's a little bit muddy, as you can tell by my legs, but not ideal conditions, but still a ton of fun. Thanks to Daryl for coming to videotape it, and hopefully we get some great shots out of the deal.
Yeah, no doubt, they're cool little bikes. Anyway guys, watch for more videos with them. So I'm following Dave and Angie from the gravel pit here, and we're going 70 kilometers an hour, and they're in eco mode. Yeah, here I was doing 70 kilometers an hour and they pulled ahead of me pretty quickly, so I think they were probably doing closer to 80 here. sure to hit that subscribe button, my friends, and also hit the bell notification to be notified when we upload our videos. Friday, Sunday, and Wednesday, like clockwork. 3 days a week, my friends. That's it, that's all. Thanks for following along with us today. We truly appreciate all your support. God bless everybody out there, and peace on earth. Hasta luego, mi amigos.